Hello viewers, welcome back to the another video. In this video I am gonna show you that how to create this type of creative amazing pictures with the help of AI in one click. So let's start the video. First you need to open your any browser, then search here in search bar Bing, then click on image creator. Now here you need to type your idea about your picture. I have already affirmed I want to paste there, this one. Okay, I have already given it in the description. Copy from there and paste here, and now click on create.
Now you can see this realistic photos.
If you want to write there your name, I guess, for example, I guess your name is Ahmad. Okay, in capital letter. Okay, Ahmad. Then click on create. Now check this realistic photos. This is very cool. Ahmad and Aisha up. You can see it on the wall. Okay. So this is all about our today tutorial. See you in the next video if Allah wills. Take care. Bye bye.